Hey guys, how's it going? Back out here with some more outdoor therapy. I got another treat for you. I got the Landa Library. We're gonna do a little walk around. I don't know how much of the inside we can get, but I'll let you know as we go. And yeah, let's get it started. We're in the parking lot right now. Let me show you around. Beautiful day, a little hot out, but still beautiful. Little hidden gem inside of the heart of San Antonio, right downtown. Super. All right, guys, give me just a moment. I'll get you in the holster and we'll get right to it. All right, that's Oscar Mike on the move. There's all of these stones as books. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a couple more of them in here. That one's is a tree trunk. They got a little garden here in the center. All these sunflowers. All right, back into the sun. It's hot out here. Look at all those sunflowers. Okay. We're still in the parking lot. All right. You know, it's a nice library when, oh, another book, Treasure Island. Um, Look at the neighborhood across the street from the library. And just again, this is San Antonio, Texas. Crazy. All right, here we go, right here on the intersection. In the background, you should be able to see downtown. Off of Shook, because ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Only my hip hop heads know that what that's about. Good friends, Mob Deep. So let's get on the other side. and show you. I saw there's even a playground around back. It's like a path I can walk. Yeah. In memory of Lawrence A. Bertetti. After that. This one's in memory of Wanda and O'Neill Ford. Okay. Look at that, the magic time machine. Alright. The Hobbit. The Forbidden Forest. And these blossoms smell wonderful. How you doing, guys? Where the wild things are. Get you some of the. Oh man, cool. Monkey bars plus the other ones. The handles. Good times to be a kid and play in this park. This is private property. Okay, look but don't touch. That's what they say. Look but don't touch. Cool. Water collection for the garden. They got a little wooden cabin out here. So they store stuff in there. I'm not supposed to touch, so I already broke the first rule, but whatever. Looks like a chimenea. Cool. Alright, let's go check out some more stuff. Get closer to the building. Please stay off the grass. Use the sidewalks. Sounds like how they used to talk to you in the military. Get off my grass. Trinity University, William Knox Holt Center. Oh. Okay. Once again, San Antonio Library Foundation. I'm gonna stay off the grass. Somebody lost a baby croc. And of course, they got the custom built AA on you. Oh, you can't walk up there. Staff only. Stuff around the corner though. Check that out. Check out the tiles. Here you go. The grounds of the Landa Library have been restored by the Landa Gardens Conservancy in partnership with community and help of many generous donors. With ongoing support, Landa Gardens will continue to grow and thrive for generations. Dedicated 1 May 2008. I think there's people in there. Yes, there are people in there. Like the people read books on Saturday and Sunday. Alright, I don't know if I can record on the inside. See? Ooh, a permit. Well, let's just pretend like we didn't see that and we'll just keep going. Get you a picture of the door. Call it a day. Alright, good times. Alright, guys. San Antonio's Monte Vista Architecture and Society in a Gilded Age. Okay. Wonder what this is about. Oh, nice. Oh. Back where we started. Quick walk around the library. This one is Winnie the Pooh, 100 Acre Wood. Davy Crockett is the next book over there. Let's see. This is one of the most peaceful, chilled out libraries I've ever seen. Matter of fact, this is my first time here, and I brought you guys with me. Look, little house on the prairie. Man, I gotta say, this is quite the peaceful Sunday. Nice place for a little walk right after lunch. So, or if you bring the kids or a date or friends or whatever, take the dog. Don't let them poop out here because kids play. Great place. Great place to go have a nice, peaceful bit of outdoor therapy. Oh, Paul Bunyan, Trinity University. Okay. All right, let me get you. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me on a quick little walk through Landa Library. Nice little library, man. Here, give you one more shot of it. Yep. Look at this. Once again, guys, thanks. Have a good one and make sure you get out there and get you some outdoor therapy, all right?